Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I am going to show you how I install a peel and stick tile in my bathroom. If you would like to see it, please keep watching. This is the tile. I got it from Amazon. It has the marble look, a very popular style. I got the fever. I thought I would give it a try. The first thing that I did was to vacuum the floor and mop it out to remove all the dust, all the debris. Then I let it dry out completely. Before installing the tile, I lay some of them down on the floor to give me a better idea on where to start. I wanted to have minimal cut as possible. Laying down the tile definitely helped me out. Although the tile is a peel and stick tile, I've decided to use a glue to do the install. I got the glue from Amazon as well. Now I am about to install the very first tile in the area where I thought it was the best place to get started. I'm gonna take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to the Glam Squad family. Here we are all about creating beautiful, glam and happy homes. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squad. I am grateful for you all. Please follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. As I am installing the tile, I'm using this wet cloth to help me remove the extra glue. Full disclaimer, I am not an expert on installing tiles. This is me just playing around and learning. I figured out the best way for me to learn is to practice. Using a vinyl tile was a great way to get started. I hope you will learn something and you will find it inspiring to get started. As you can see, I'm using some weight to press the tile down.
Solita, pues me pregunté qué pasa cuando me bailó cerquita, eso fue descomunal. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, tra, tra, tú sabes cómo es. Vamos a hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Tiene belleza y mueve ese booty más con tremenda certeza. Hay con esos ritmos y un par de cervezas. Ya nos ambientamos porque esto apenas comienza. Dígame, sé que nada de lo que veo acá nadie lo comprará, no está a la venta. Y yo le digo más, si tú perreas más, me empeñaría ya para esa vuelta. Como tú te mueves así, bien, bien, mami, y con gusto toda la vuelta. Fresca como la playa de Miami. Estás suelta, tú sabes cómo es. Como hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, trata, tú sabes cómo es. Como hacerlo, mami, contra la pared. No me dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Esa muñequita de juguetería, a lo Toy Story, yo soy tu bella tía. En todos mis pasos, la baby confía. Perrea de noche pero es sentada de día. Le dice al DJ que le pongo una de tono. Si no un perreíto vamos a verlo bien cabrón. Que le saca ritmo a cualquier canción. Y que tiene un candado y cerrado el corazón. Yeah, yeah. Como tú te mueves así bien, bien, mami. Y con gusto toda la vuelta. Está como la playa de Miami. Conmigo, mami, tú estás suelta. Tú sabes casa cuando me bailó cerquita, eso fue descomunal. Dale, 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 trata, tú sabes cómo es. No se lo mami contra la pared. No dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3. Dale, dale, trata, tú sabes cómo es. No se lo mami contra la pared. No dice nada y todo se le ve. El perreo no se acaba hasta las 3.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed a bit worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you get worried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear when I hear me, yeah, nothing else in between, yeah. Try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen when we talk. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this as a lesson? Then maybe we should open up the sorrow.
To remove the excess glue on the towel, I'm using some alcohol. Link for the towel and the glue will be in the description box. Then I caulk around the tub and around the toilet.
Babe, when did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight.
I wet my finger to remove the extra caulk. This is the final look of the towel. I hope you have enjoyed the process and that you have inspired. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with one of your friends and your family member. Thanks for stopping by. I will see you on the next video. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. I love you always. Bye-bye. Mwah.